So welcome to Embedded World. I'm now here together with Dave Tokic from Xilinx and with Gerd Melder from Analog Devices. Though two persons from two different companies are doing one video interview right now. So what is the reason for that, Gerd?
Because for a while now we actually identified a need for our customers to collaborate on signal path solutions. Customers actually really value the fact that Analog Devices is a strong player in the signal conditioning and signal processing, analog signal processing, and Xilinx is a market leader actually in signal processing, data signal processing, and data processing solutions, interconnectivity. So we add value to our customers in a collaboration. We define solutions together to customer problems and then hopefully actually bring them to market in a way that customers can really benefit.
So why did you choose really Xilinx?
Because Xilinx, like Analog Devices, is a market leader in this field, very well known, extremely innovative, and that fits very well together with Analog Devices.
Okay. So Dave, how does this cooperation between Analog Devices and Xilinx work in the daily life?
Great. So as Gerd was saying, we've been working together for quite some time. And actually customers have been using Xilinx and Analog Devices together for quite a long time. And we've really taken that to the next level and worked on some specific projects together. It started out in the wireless space around converter interoperability as well as RF signal processing. And what we've done is really taken that to working on additional market application areas such as software-defined radio and motor control. And a great example of the collaboration is in creating, working with Analog Devices to create daughter cards, signal chain processing, as well as complete kits for these different market end applications that allow our customers to develop, prototype, and then go to production, from concept to production, if you will, much faster than they were able to do before.
And can customers then buy products and get support from either Xilinx or Analog Devices, or how does that work?
Yeah, so there's a number of different channels on where customers can go to basically accelerate their design process. And I think to Gerd's earlier point about industry leadership, it's not just about the technology leadership, which we've been recognized with multiple awards for each of our technologies in the past, but it's also about that enablement. And so we work closely with our distribution partner Avnet to provide various kits. And what's very timely right now is that there's a design seminar series both for motor control and software-defined radio that we're participating with Analog Devices as well as MathWorks and Avnet to provide our leading all programmable Zinc 7000 SoC along with the Analog Devices RF Agile transceiver and signal chain processing, as well as MathWorks from a model-based design flow, plus the Avnet expert training put together to really give that designer the confidence to do and expertise to grow their ability to design from concept to production their design. So many different avenues of training and for technology that can be bought either through Avnet or from Analog Devices and Xilinx.
So Gerd, what is contributing Analog Devices and what is contributing Xilinx for the game?
I think we're both contributing actually our applications competence and domain knowledge, and that's what both parties are actually known for. And then in detail, it's really the analog front-end signal conditioning solutions ADI actually provides, based on our converters, amplifiers, RF, and so forth. But also then the drivers, HDL code, and everything actually which makes the interconnectivity then to the Xilinx processors work for the customer at the end of the day. And Xilinx actually then provides the other end to the whole solution. at the end of the day, for the customer, the value really is that whatever kit he actually acquires from Avnet or Xilinx or ADI is fully functional. So, and when the customer actually does do his software development based on MATLAB, MathWorks, when he does do his software development and tests it out, there's no question about the underlying hardware, whether it's the mixed signal and signal conditioning, the interconnectivity, or the digital signal processing and the data processing. So that's really describes again what the parties offer.
And here at the show, at what stand can I see that?
You can see it. You can see it actually at ADI's booth. You can actually look at our software-defined radio kit, which we did together. We have a motor control kit actually, which we did together, and which has been very well received in the market. We have a JSD 204B platform we're actually presenting then together. So that has been compliance tested by both parties. So you can actually join us at our booth and actually look at all those things and bring customers to the booth if you like.